can I have coffee? Mom, can I please get two cookies and cream? Sorry, but we have cookies and cream at home. But we have coffee at home. What? What are you doing? I'm drawing. Don't look. What are you doing? Secret. This is for Mother's Day.
Kamu ka ni Ate Joy, Joy. Ang galit siya nga short, kinakakaulan.
I'm drawing. Let me see, huh? No.
Sit down, Gab.
What are you doing, huh? I'm drawing. Oh, I see. No, don't see. Okay. Dear Mama, I love you. I love you so much. I love you. You like 1,000. I hope you get lucky. God bless you. God bless you a lot.
A lot?
A lot.
A lot. God bless you a lot.
I don't know. What are you doing? What are you doing? Nothing. Oh, I see. But I can say, hey, that. Dear Mother, every sentence. See. Don't touch that. Okay. P. Panic. R. I'm scared. And okay, here. Here, honey. Why did you touch that? Oh, this is a surprise for you, Mom.
Oy. Mag-deal ka mo natin, Joy, Joy, dito ha.
Sige. Pag... Deal.
Ha?
Deal.
Deal or no deal?
Deal. Si Papa naman dito kang kuya kuan.
Gawas ako, makaturog.
Gawas na ni Papa, no?
Alin na gawas.
May erase.
Ay, patat.
Tapos, ni mo mama mag